Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make 3 gold grinders that could give you gold actually. First you need to do the find me quest. If you already complete it, then you'll get 450 gold and 25 gold blocks. So what you're gonna do in the 450 gold is you're gonna buy a hinge block, which is over here. Then you'll get the blue block. Then if you don't want to launch, go to the hammer tool, then click the plus button, then make sure there is no check or just off the anchor block. First, place a glue block. Make sure it's not sticking into your body, or else that's a problem. Then you can use any block you want, but not rods and pyramids and this thingy. Just blocks. Then make a plus. I will use gold for now, but you can use block. You can use wood blocks. Bro, what happened now? Bro, I'm lagging. Nani? Like that. Like that. Then place a hinge block. Place a chair block, so you don't have to what is that again? You don't have to shift lock. Then delete the chair. But if you want to save this, go save it. Place 1 glue block. You can place 2 glue blocks, but don't place 2 glue blocks, because when you place 2 glue blocks, then if you click this glue block, so when you move, it will actually jump you, and you don't want that because never mind, I don't know. So when you click that glue block, there you go. Your gold grinder is ready. Whoa, satisfying. Bro, I wanna stop. Please stop. There you go. And the second gold grinder is like this. Place a glue block, or you can just place a rod or a glue block. I don't know. Use a rod or a glue block, but you should use the glue block so you don't have to delete it. So yeah. Now you can use any block. I will just use gold. It doesn't matter. So like that. Also guys, you can place any block in this hinge, but I will use neon blocks. So where you get neon blocks is in the Wild West stage. When you go to the Wild West stage, and if you find a cave, make sure to go there and claim the chest, and you will get the neon blocks. Actually guys, you should do the other gold grinder first, because you're gonna need 4,000 gold. Because by this jet, And you will get a pilot seat and jets and blocks. Then place this. Wait, I didn't. Oh right. For a second, I thought I have two pilot seats. Then place a magnet right there. This is where you buy the magnet here. This is the start. Oh, actually, there's new. I mean, they're not new, but wait a minute. Did purchase 3 fireworks for limited time off sale in 5 more. Bro, why 5 more days? I'm gonna literally buy this. So here is the magnet block. Then click this. Then you will start flying. But actually, guys, use the other tutorial of gold grinders of this, because when you move like that, it will kind of be fast. So you don't want that. Like this. Kind of hard to control though. See, it moves fast, and you don't want that. So do other this tutorial. Other of YouTubers and bro, please stop. Please, please, no. No, I'm just gonna reset. This is kind of annoying. Like that. You get free fireworks here. The third gold grinder is like this. Wait, I kind of forgot about that. What gold grinder is that? I forgot. Oh, right. Actually, guys, you need 750 gold to buy this old wheels. Do this. Then you need 3 magnets, which is kind of not, I don't know, expensive. I don't know, bro. Like that. Like that. By the way, guys, you don't really need 2 pilot seats. You can just, if you want this gold grinder and not the other one, you can do this. Yo, what happened? It's kind of hard to control, but when I did this glitch, it's not hard. Bro, what's happening? Oh, sorry if that didn't work. Just watch the other tutorials of gold grinder, how to make that gold grinder and the other one. I was kinda wrong. Sorry for that. And make sure to follow me on TikTok. My name is the name of my channel. Buildabout_God and Ja. Make sure the J is a big letter. If I get 100 subscribers, I will do a Tron bike tutorial. So yeah. And guys, if I did the Tron bike, I don't know, you actually need a lot of neon blocks, but it's okay if you have 30 neon blocks. Yeah. So bye guys. Oh wait, Wait a minute. Like that.